Welcome to JH. Looking for a way to actually use that brain of yours? Today we're putting Magic Mind and Alpha Brain in the ring to see which one can actually pull you out of your mental fog. They're both nootropics, which is just marketing speak for supplements that promise to turn you into a genius while you sit on the couch. Alpha Brain is the veteran here, coming in pill form from the folks at On It. You pop 2 capsules daily and hope for the best. Magic Mind is the trendy new kid, offering a 2-ounce liquid shot that you down every morning like a very expensive, very tiny juice box. Alpha Brain relies on ingredients like alpha GPC and bacopa to sharpen your memory and focus. The best part? It's caffeine-free, so you won't be vibrating through your afternoon meetings. It's a subtle, steady brain tune-up that costs about $2 a day. That's $60 a month just to remember where you parked your car, which honestly sounds like a bargain in this economy. Magic Mind takes a different route, cramming 12 ingredients into its formula, including ashwagandha and cordyceps mushrooms. Yes, you're basically paying to drink liquid fungus. It also contains matcha, giving you about half a cup of coffee's worth of caffeine to ensure you actually feel something. Magic Mind promises you'll feel sharper within an hour, combining brain boosters with stress fighters for a supposed clean energy vibe. It's smoother than coffee, but your wallet will definitely feel the friction. It runs between $3 and $4 per shot, which adds up to a staggering $90 to $120 a month. At that price, you'd expect the supplement to not only boost your brain, but also do your laundry. While Magic Mind acts fast, the taste gets mixed reviews, and some users report a bit of a stomach rebellion after drinking it. If you're sensitive to caffeine or prefer to keep your bank account in the black, Alpha Brain is the logical starting point. It's research-backed, affordable, and won't give you the jitters. If you don't see results after a month, then you can consider upgrading to the premium mushroom juice. Just a friendly reminder, no supplement can replace the revolutionary technology known as sleep or a balanced diet. These are just tools, not magic bullets that will suddenly make you the next Einstein. Talk to your doctor before trying to hack your biology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.